Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's safe and happy and full at home. And so guys, guess what? So time I put out the last BoxyCharm video, I go over to see what Suzanne's doing, and guess what, guys? She's got more spoilers for us. And this is for the May box. These are ones we have not seen yet. And we also got some future brands and spoilers. And also I got the next BoxyCharm in session date. And also your choice and add-on dates as well. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss any of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. And sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in. But I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the Ipsy May standard bags. Thank you so much, Melissa Cummins. Melissa says, hey, beautiful. Well, hey, Melissa, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing all right. And I really appreciate you coming by to watch my video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. But stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, let's go ahead and get the dates and stuff like that out of the way. So first of all, I've already told y'all this, but just a friendly reminder to mark your calendar for April the 13th. Is it April? Guys, now that is early access for the choice items and also add-ons. And then mark it for 14th. That is going to be all access. That is for every charmer. And BoxyCharm in session now, I think that was either today or yesterday, but you know they are doing this virtual, so they are doing the BoxyCharm in session online. But if you want to catch the next one, that is going to be April the 22nd, and they're going to have a celebrity MUA right there talking to y'all. I think it's Rokel, something like that. Anyways, that's going to be so interesting. So if you want to go ahead and reserve your spot, make sure you do so. And all right, guys. So again, I found these on Suzanne's YouTube channel. She is GlamBySuzan, and she was actually in the last BoxyCharm in session. And right there, Joe is showing some spoilers that we have not seen yet. But anyways, we're going to go over the ones that we know about anyways. So again, this is for the May base box, guys. So that you're not going to believe the brands that are going to be in the May BoxyCharm base box. This is the base box, y'all. So first thing is first, you're either going to get the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask or the Elements Resurfacing Facial Pads. Now the next spoiler, and this is a brand new one, this is one we haven't seen, and I'm so excited, guys. It's Hourglass Cosmetics. It is their Vanish Highlighting Stick. Now the shades may vary because they do have a lot of shades in that, but isn't that exciting, guys? Glam Glow Elements Hourglass in base box. Can you believe it? Y'all, it's worth every penny. And then next up, let's go ahead. Now, the video I done earlier was for the May Premium BoxyCharm box. So again, I'm going to go over those again because there is a new one that I didn't know of. So the first thing is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and then the Too Faced Gold Soleil Bronzer, and then there is, of course, the Kevin Aquan, and it's the Expert Mascara. And then last but certainly not least, this is the brand new one that I just found out about, y'all. It is the Skin & Co. Trouble Therapy Eye Cream. Really, really exciting. But you know what? That base box is just, it keeps amazing me every time I see what's going to be in it so far. And now I'm going to tell y'all some of the brands that are coming to BoxyCharm, and this is going to be in the near future. So first is House Laboratories. We already discussed this. We already know she's going to be in a box. Next one is Jouer. Is it Jouer? Something like that. Anyways, guys, Suzanne seems to think there might be something from that in the May box. Next up is Fenty Beauty. She is making a comeback. She is returning back to BoxyCharm. So I wonder what that's going to be, guys. Next up is Sunday Riley. You know they got some amazing products. And then the last thing that Joe said was that there's going to be a tinted moisturizer coming in a future box, which I have to agree with Susan on this one because she seems to think that's going to be in one of the summer boxes because, you know, that's when we tend to wear a lighter foundation. So I believe there will be a tinted moisturizer in a summer box sometime, guys. But anyways, As soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much. Is it Gala Aces? I hope I said that right, honey. I feel like a dum-dum. Anyways, Gala says, first item spoilers for next month I've seen. That's right, girl. I got your back. I try to get them out as fast as I can, and I try to make it quick to where I don't explain like what I think about every item. Because if anybody's just like me, y'all, I just want to see the spoilers and be done with it. I don't want to hear nobody's opinions about the products, about every single product there is. I'm sorry, but you know, that's just me. So I try to give y'all the fastest spoilers on the internet. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's been unsubscribing people, but if you would check that for me. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.